Hello. As Greg said, my name is Siobhan Mullen, and I'm here to introduce you to our newest product that will open significantly more youth savings accounts with more funds on deposit at your banks. The TiViTz College Savings Game-a-thon is a fully automated, activity-based fundraiser tool for youth savings for such investments as higher education. The Game-a-thon complements and does not compete with existing financial savings vehicles. In fact, it funds those accounts and creates new youth savings accounts and acts as a marketing tool for commercial and business banking. But let's take a step back. If you were to ask friends and family with young children what keeps them up at night, one most likely thought would be, how am I going to support my children with the rapidly rising costs of higher education? When in the UK, fees have tripled since 2012. And in the US, children owe more in student loan debt than the entire country owes on its credit cards. In the UK, students will leave college with an average debt of over £44,000. And it's $60,000 with interest in the US, where the national student debt has already passed $1.2 trillion. With the TiViTz College Savings Game-a-thon, we provide a unique solution to families to significantly offset that debt and to significantly increase youth savings. A recent Washington University study showed that students with a savings account are 7 times more likely to attend university. Why? Because savings in the name of the youth is the strongest predictor of college attendance and future success, even more so than family net worth and parent savings. Now, before I tell you about the Game-a-thon, let me tell you a little bit about TiViTz. TiViTz is an award-winning game engine that is easily adaptable to multiple platforms, from computers to smartphones. It's won the National Parenting Award, the Parents' Choice Award, the Creative Child Award, and Dr. Toy. More than 400,000 kids and 10,000 teachers use TiViTz in the United States. TiViTz tournaments have been hosted by NASA, by Major League Baseball, national hockey teams, by the Arnold Schwarzenegger Youth Foundation, Boeing, Lockheed, museums, colleges. TiViTz has partnered with McDonald's in Florida to offer TiViTz Tuesdays as practice sessions for tournaments, and it's partnered with Ripken Baseball and Cal Ripken to produce TiViTz Tournaments nationwide. The TiViTz College Savings Game-a-thon is powered by the TiViTz Game Engine. It's like a walk-a-thon. Children solicit pledges from friends, family, and neighbors, but instead of walking, they exercise their mental muscles by playing TiViTz math and strategy games online. Registration is easy. It's like a video game. You need a username, a password, and a cool avatar. Once registered, you simply need to designate a college savings account to deposit all of those earned pledges. A college savings account or a youth savings account can be one that already exists, like a child trust fund or a junior ISA, of which there are already millions in the UK opened. They can also open a new account with our official bank partner. After that, they log into the app and they quickly send out pledge requests. They can do that via email using an email address book, or they can do it through social media by posting on Facebook or tweeting on Twitter, or with a more personal approach, they can send a text message. Once a pledge sponsor receives a pledge request, they simply click on a link to make a pledge on the child's personalized pledge page. It's personalized with a photo of the child, with some quick facts about the child, a personal message, and a pledge goal. Once the child has replayed the required number of games to trigger a pledge, then the pledge sponsor receives an automated and personalized pledge invoice to make a payment. The Game-a-thon system collects pledge payments from all participants across the country and deposits those payments into a holding account until the end of the Game-a-thon, at which point the funds are all transferred to the child's youth savings accounts that he has designated with his family. Then the family sits back and watches those youth savings accounts grow. Of course, the easier it is to add funds to those accounts from the family network, the more funds under management. We do all the work, and the banks collect the customers' deposits. Now let's take a quick look at the admin side of this app. During the Game-a-thon season, TiViTz can see all live action Game-a-thons simultaneously. In this example, it's about 2/3 through a Game-a-thon. There are 1 million users. They've raised about $400 already each for about $400 million to date in a single campaign season. Game-a-thons can be sorted by name, by state, or all the way down to a single zip code or a single child participating. Game-a-thons are named after their promoting financial service partners. Financial service partners are managers or youth savings accounts, or they have access to the owners of youth savings accounts. They can use the Game-a-thon as a tool to increase funds on deposit with their existing customers, or as a marketing tool to open new youth savings accounts. Their local bankers can use it to engage parents and local businesses for new banking opportunities. In addition to financial service partners, TiViTz is also looking for an official bank in each country to collect and disperse all those pledge payments to the many designated youth savings accounts around the country. So in summary, the TiViTz College Savings Game-a-thon is a fun way to teach kids math, to help them raise funds for higher education or other future needs to start their adult life. And it increases accounts and deposits at your banks. The TiViTz College Savings Game-a-thon attracts the youth savings market while addressing financial and math literacy. It also increases the customer base, while the Game-a-thon ensures that each count's value increases steadily. It also provides a youth-targeted marketing tool with social impact that accesses the families of the children and their social network. So if you're interested in becoming a financial service partner or an official bank in your country, please come see us at the booth. Thank you as well for listening and for letting me introduce you to an innovation that we believe will change the way families think about affording higher education and saving for their children's futures. Although you can't see it right now, the national student debt clock in the United States has just gone up $1 million in the last 7 minutes since I've been speaking. Thank you.